Hi, welcome back to this YouTube channel. I'm going to play a little more Anthem today. So I spawned up here higher up on the map, as you can see. Looks like some old ruins. Just take these steps. Reminds me of Lord of the Rings a little bit with the broken steps and all that. Getting some music coming in. Maybe something to play here. See a red dot. That's usually a bad guy. Never anything else, actually. You know, I picked this pistol. I thought it was an automatic pistol. Looks like it's not. Which is not good. Good thing I have a machine gun. Somebody's shooting me. Oh, he froze me. Wow, there's too many enemies over here. I'm gonna hide behind a rock for a while. Ooh. Can't move. Well, I'm in the heat of battle. I don't know what I'm trying to earn here, but Dominion is bad, so plenty of little guys. Alright, here we go. This game was built around that. Alright, now I got something on my map here. I'm going to go pursue that. It's probably a world event of some type. I'm going to guess, kill the scorpions. Destroy the Dominion's supply lines, it says. Stockpiles. It says flight disabled. Wonder why that is. I don't see why they disabled my flight. That seems silly. I use that. Leaving flight suppression area. Well, I guess that's convenient for them. That was convenient for me. I'm still pressing as though I can fly. That's funny. I'll take that. Health. Well, I can still jump. Not all is lost. Alright. Oh, there's another one. Watch out. Still run. I'll take that. One more, that's it.
Crisis averted, huh? There'll be more trouble if we don't secure the area.
So now I gotta kill everybody. Secure the area. Gold mine of health there. Challenge complete. The Minion Eradicator. I guess that's the gun I got, I think. As long as there's hearts to run through, I could just have nothing but bullets coming at me. And I'm gonna die. That is so bad.
Here we go. Stay close.
I cannot die.
That's the ticket.
No.
Yes, that's it. They're on the run now. I call that a job well done.
Alright. I'm running and he's telling me I'm doing good, so that's nice. I think I'll get this chest. If I'm not getting chest, I'm giving it. Have some chest. Alright. That was a job well done. That was actually kind of a short little interlude on the game. I don't know if you'd call it an interlude, but it was a very small mission. But man, look at the graphics again. Pretty epic. Well, that's going to do it today for Anthem. I'm going to end the video here. I'd like to tell you about my eBay store, GB Hatchery. I'll leave a link in the description. Oh, here's some bad guys. I'm going to get out of here. I don't want to fight them. Also, I'll leave an affiliate link in the description to Seller Warehouse. They have a lot of nice brand new items. I sell pre-owned. They have a lot of nice brand new items. I hope you liked the video. If you haven't liked or subscribed, please do. And if you could share, if you like the video, sharing always helps. And it tells YouTube to give me a little bit better compression. When I get a couple shares right off the bat, the video cleans up within a week. So as soon as they drop, they don't give you very good compression. So I appreciate that if you could do that. Anyway, that's all for now. I'll see you in the next one.